Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Audi A7. Performing regular oil changes is crucial for maintaining your engine's health and extending its lifespan. This guide will walk you through each step, from gathering your supplies to refilling with fresh oil. You will gain the confidence to tackle this essential maintenance task yourself, saving time and money while ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly. Before you begin, gather all your necessary tools and supplies. You will need a jack, and jack stands for safety, an oil drain pan, and a funnel. For the fasteners, a T50 Torx bit is typically used for the drain plug and a 36mm socket for the oil filter housing. Don't forget your new oil filter, a fresh drain plug crush washer, and about 7.2 quarts of the manufacturer-recommended synthetic engine oil. First, safely lift your Audi A7 using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Place your oil drain pan directly beneath the engine's drain plug. Using a T50 Torx bit, carefully remove the drain plug and allow all the old oil to completely drain out. While the oil drains, locate the oil filter housing, usually on top of the engine, and remove it with your 36mm socket. Extract the old filter and its O-rings. Once the old oil is fully drained, install your new oil filter and its fresh O-rings into the housing, then tighten the housing to 25 Newton-meters. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, torquing it to 22 foot-pounds. Now, using a funnel, add approximately 7.2 quarts of new synthetic oil. Start the engine briefly, then shut it off and check the oil level, topping off as needed for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.